Welcome to Beautyistic, where we always cut through the noise to bring you the most honest, detailed, and expert-level reviews. If you're struggling with thinning, dry, or damaged hair, especially if you've colored it, this review might just have the solution you've been searching for. But before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews and beauty tips that'll transform your routine. Today, we're reviewing the Nioxin Duo Kit, which includes the scalp and hair thickening shampoo and conditioner. This system is specifically designed for those with colored, dry, and damaged hair who are dealing with light thinning. The shampoo and conditioner come in 10.1 phthalates bottles and promise to provide fuller, thicker hair with regular use. But does it deliver on that promise? Let's find out. The Nioxin System 3 Kit is built for hair that needs more than just basic care. The shampoo contains active ingredients like salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate the scalp, removing buildup and promoting a healthier foundation for hair growth. The conditioner works to moisturize and strengthen hair fibers, while improving the overall appearance and thickness of your strands. This system is perfect for individuals who want to address light thinning without compromising on the care for their color-treated hair. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. I've been testing this duo for a few weeks, and I've noticed some key differences in the texture and appearance of my hair. First of all, the shampoo has a light, refreshing feel that lathers well without being overly foamy. It has a slight tingling sensation, which is likely due to the salicylic acid. This can feel invigorating, but may be a bit intense for those with super sensitive scalps. When I used the conditioner, I noticed it had a thick, creamy consistency that felt hydrating on my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down, which is a big plus since my hair tends to get greasy easily. After using the full system, my hair definitely felt fuller, and the thinning areas seemed less noticeable. My hair also looks shinier and more moisturized, which is a great bonus for anyone with dry, color-treated hair like mine. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros include the fact that this system does exactly what it promises. It improves the thickness and fullness of your hair. It also does an excellent job of hydrating and restoring shine to dry hair, which is essential when dealing with color-treated strands. Plus, the formula is lightweight enough that it won't leave hair feeling greasy or weighed down. On the downside, the price point is a little steep compared to some drugstore brands, and the tingling sensation from the shampoo may be a bit too intense for some users, especially those with sensitive scalps. Additionally, if you're looking for a product that offers deep, nourishing moisture, you may want to pair this with a heavier conditioner or treatment. When it comes to value for money, it's clear that Nioxin is targeting a premium market. The ingredients are high quality, and the system is effective, but if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to look at alternatives that offer similar benefits for a lower price. That said, if you've tried other hair thickening products and were disappointed, this could be a worthwhile investment. Comparing this duo to other hair thickening systems on the market, Nioxin stands out because of its commitment to hair health. Using salicylic acid to exfoliate the scalp is a unique feature that differentiates it from most competitors. However, other products may offer similar results without the slightly higher price tag. So it's really about finding the balance between effectiveness and cost. As for build quality, the packaging is standard for a salon-quality product. The bottles are sturdy and have a secure flip-top lid, making them easy to use in the shower. There's nothing extraordinary about the design, but it's functional and looks sleek on the shelf. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally interacted with Nioxin's customer support, but based on my research, the brand is generally well regarded for its commitment to helping customers with any issues. Their online support is responsive, and you can find plenty of helpful resources on their website for troubleshooting or product guidance. Now let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for something similar, but perhaps more budget-friendly, brands like Pantene and L'Oreal offer shampoos and conditioners designed for thinning hair that might suit your needs. They don't have the exact same salicylic acid formula, but they provide solid hydration and volume at a more accessible price. To wrap up, the Nioxin Duo Kit is a strong contender for anyone dealing with thinning hair, especially those with color-treated and dry strands. It performs well in terms of adding thickness, moisture, and shine, but the slightly higher price and tingling sensation may not be for everyone. If you're ready to invest in a high-quality product, this system is worth considering. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing your experiences, and we appreciate you being part of the Beautyistic community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.